puppets, and this is magnets. So this sticks together like that, and it can go like that, and then go together. Then, bam! Made a wall. You see that? This is your puppet. I've been running 2 years and years. And this is a flag puppet. It can go like popping everywhere because y'all can get this at the store. You can buy it anywhere. You can buy it at the dollar store, at Target. And I have a puppy. This can go back together when you push it back to normal, because this can't do anything. Another one. Now this can be anywhere at the store. If y'all buy it, y'all can get it. For not free, y'all can do it at $1. I have 2 expensive rings. It can go like on your thumbs, on your finger, on your fingers, your other hand. This can go anywhere. So this is a spinner. It goes like that. If you stop it, it goes like this. It goes.
2 very boring minutes later.
Now this is our infinity cube. This is a piece in the pod because this has peas in it. You see those peas? That means it can shoot these out when it is like a fidget, I think. This is a fidget. This is a marble where you push it and it has a marble in it. It goes like that. And then this is a white, stretchy, squishy thing. Now this is a pink, stretchy, squishy, couple monkey noodle, yellow monkey noodle, kind of orange, kind of green. And that is it, guys. So that is it for the video. Bye.